Hi, we wanted to show you some tips and tricks when placing the arches on BRYGGA. I start with applying, then I put the back pad so that this line follows the line on the t-shirt in this case. Put it like that. And I already applied the front pad. Make sure it passes the collarbone and just slide it back. And that's the correct placement. I do the same on the other side. Actually, now I can use where this is located. I can locate this arc on the same place on the back. And in this manner, I get the perfect fit all the time. If there is a problem that if I place this arc too far back, I'm going to exaggerate this now. I place it too far back, then you see the lift disappears. So I don't have any lift anymore. So the way to create more lift is to move. Now I'm going to exaggerate the other way. If I move it up a lot, you see how much it's a big gap. So the correct placement is when you have, with a little pressure, you have about a finger between the collarbone and the arcs. And in this way it's placed like this. And also another important thing is that you can place BRYGGA like this if the shoulders are very slanted like that, but then the edge here might catch. In that case, you always want to align this part of BRYGGA with the angle of the shoulders. So I put it like this, so this angle up here is the same as the angle of the shoulder. So if Pal had very straight shoulders, the BRYGGA would actually be placed more like this, so that it's straight. Let me see if I can see that there, yeah. Okay, so let's look at this again. If I place a little pressure on this, I can see that I have lift from the top part of the shoulder below the collarbone, and that's the part that you need to bridge. From the collarbone to the top part of the shoulder. That's where you have that nerve center, brachialis plexus, and that's what we're trying to bridge here. So the placement. Make sure the front pad is below the collarbone. I set the angle. I set this angle so that it's the same angle as pad shoulders, and I place it on the arcs. And I have the pad is high up, the lift is good, and if I put some pressure on, there's no edges that catches or hurts anywhere on the body.